Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Firstly, my name is Rakshita S. I'm studying computer science engineering in SVCE Bangalore. I'm going to explain a topic as emerging trends and technologies in mechanical engineering regarding to the subject Introduction to the Mechanical Engineering. Firstly, the trends and technologies in mechanical engineering have five subtopics in engineering sector, in manufacturing sector, in automotive sector, in aerospace sector and in marine sector. Let's see the trends and technologies in energy sector. It includes the renewable. The renewable it produces minimal to a zero harmful emissions and it extracts using geothermal sources and reducing the cost for manufacturing and generating power. It also reduces the dependency by usage continuously. The non-renewable may cause zero availability in energy in future. And the second one is Internet of Energy. Internet of Energy refers to upgrading automation of electricity infrastructures and it move forward more efficiently and it produce units and utilizing units are interconnected. The data from one unit can be returned by another unit and vice versa. Benefit of using Internet of Energy is increased efficiencies, significant cost saving and reduction in the wastage of energy. Third one is energy storage. Energy storage enables stable pricing by protectively managing demanded from consumers. Um, Consumers potentially stock it up during ideal conditions. This accumulated energy later helps in reducing the grid loads during peak time. Here are some pictures of energy storage. The fourth one is a blockchain. Blockchain use like a stakeholders under a single decentralized network. It electricity produces the distribution network operators, metering operators, providers of financial services, and traders potentially benefit from utilizing smart contract. This contract ensures us that all energy related transactions pass through a secure and immutable network, thus eliminating potential losses. And the second trend and technologies is manufacturing sector. In that, the first one is accessible automation. The automation in manufacturing world is not entirely new, but the adoption of practices is new. New technologies have made automation more accessible to more manufacturers and are changing the way companies operate. Automation of all is the next step in industries. And the second one is mobile robotics. Mobile robotics is one of the primary drivers of this manufacturing trends is autonomous mobile robots. Um, it is used to mean ultra sophisticated technology and new robotic technology is making automation attainable for a companies of all sizes. Say, third one is Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is helping manufacturers connected and monitor the various components of their operations, gaining insight never before possible. It optimizes and improves every fast and their manufacturing process. Here are some pictures how the Internet of Things works in a manufacturing sectors. And the fourth one is enterprise resource planning. Enterprises resource planning helps a manufacturer automate different areas of operations under one comprehensive system. This universal touchpoint then give manufacturers the insight they need to oversee the entire manufacturing operation and make improvements and adjustment where needed. And the fifth one in the manufacturing sector is universal connectivity. um, what we are calling universal connectivity is the idea uh, the technology are now being made to connect with any device or system. Technology and innovations in the manufacturing space were traditionally built as one size fit all solutions. And the third one is automotive sector. In automotive sector, the first one is autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicles are self-driving vehicles aimed to minimize the need for human drivers and look poised to transfer every day. And it to make a public transportation relatively very safer. And for example, by reducing the accident caused due to a driver fatigue or negligence. The second one is electrification. The depleting fossil fuels reserves and the harm to the environment caused by their use call for promoting the use for electric vehicles, um, as well as the powering renewable energy based the charging grids. It addresses the issues such as high price, poor battery, inadequate charging infrastructure, etc. Third one is a shared mobility. Shared mobility have come up that the focus on shared mobility as an alternative to traditional vehicle ownership. This enables mobility as a services and discourages unused vehicles. Such solutions meet the requirements of a city or a business without adding new vehicles, thus reducing waiting time for a fleet and pollutions caused by petrol or a diesel vehicles. And the fourth one is AI. AI means artificial intelligence. This technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, and computer visions find applications in a robotics, automations within the automotive industries. This guide self-driving cars manage a fleets, assess driver to improve safely, and such as a vehicle inspections or insurance. And the fifth one is the human machine interface. Human machine interface has a self-driving cars and connected cars transform the automotive landscape, and human machine interfaces uses voice based or aptic feedback to operate vehicles. This expand the scope of how and what aspects of car that uses control. Consequently, such interfaces make driving experience safe and more enjoyable. Another form of HMI is help drivers and riders interact with the vehicles and other service providers. And the fourth one is in aerospace sector. In aerospace sector, first one is advanced materials. Advanced materials, the innovative materials can be used in a wide variety of areas, from higher more agile aircraft and emerging hypersonic system to personal protections equipment, and anywhere risks or damage can be reducing. For example, the graphene is a carbon based material which is mainly atom thick and can be used to make batteries that are lightweight, durable, applicable. Plus, they charge more rapidly than a typical battery. And the second one is additive manufacturing. It is also known as 3D printing, which utilizes the significantly less material than other comparable traditional manufactured parts. Here are some parts how the 3D printing exactly works. Uh, and reducing whites in a para amount to the aerospace technology industries due to increase in performance in area of speed, capacity, fuel consumption, emission, and more. 3D printing in its a newest product from a seed framework to air ducts, and it also defends the industry look for applications of 3D printing. And the third one is supersonic flights. These two pictures you can see there. These are the pictures of supersonic flight, which aircraft travels faster than the speed of sound. US airline has announced the plans that to buy a 50 new supersonic airlines and return supersonic speed to aviation in the year 2029. The new Overture aircraft will be produced by a Denver-based company called Boom, which has a flight test a supersonic jet. And the fourth one is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the same as manufacturing sector or energy sector. So the machine learning offers the ability to gain a new insight into a materials by employing artificial intelligence to discover a new patterns and relations in the data. And it is also use of machine or active learning in research and education. For example, the researchers at the United States Air Force's Research Laboratory AFRL are using machine learning. And the fifth one is autonomous flight system. Implementing autonomous technology has been a growing trend in aerospace industries, and much of this has been focused law increasing autonomous flights with a goal being to launch fully human free flights, and still be several years away. Investment and innovations will be consistently be geared towards this in the coming years. And the last one in technologies and trends is in marine sector. In that, the first one is a digital route management of ships. However, ships can often have a journeys lasting several months, and it is not feasible to accurately predict conditions in advance. Real-time group management can play a major role in improving the journey duration and efficiency. The long period that ships remains at sea and that possible the ocean's conditions can vary drastically over the matter of few hours. It is important that real-time data is available for ship operators to use. And the second one is smart autonomous control. Online self-driving car use autonomous technology, and as well as remaining on the road without losing control. And the autonomous control is a major operation since ships are considerably large and more complex than cars. Third one is the smart propulsion system. The smart propulsion system, smart technology enables a computer to make decisions and control the equipments um, with the high level of accuracy. The visual without having to constantly monitor. Similarly, marine engineers can allow the software to monitor the status of marine diesel engines so that they always remain within the acceptable operating regions. And the fourth one is the smart defense technology. Domains would also allow navies to become a self-reliant and extremely efficient. For example, during times of war, provisions and training equipments to control ships, aircrafts, and can be a major task. A deploys and control supply vessels would allow the logistic divisions of Navy to be used in more efficient manner. Here are some pictures how the smart defense technology works. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.